Hello everyone, Doina Boswell O'Shell here with the Boswell Law Firm, and it is our weekly Facebook Live um, that we love being able to just talk to everyone and let everyone know that we're thinking of them. And we're hoping that some of these videos provide some help for you. And today is Good Friday, so happy Good Friday to everyone, and I hope everybody just has a wonderful and blessed Easter. And so today I'm going to be talking about a topic that is um, touchy, but it is something that needs to be discussed, and we need to be talking about it. And it is a very important topic that we need to further educate people on. And I'm talking about this today because we are now in April, and a lot of people don't know, but April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. So this month I'll be doing a lot of talking about different things that we can do, and just bringing some awareness to this topic. Sexual violence is never ever acceptable, and it affects men and women, children. Um, it is not age specific, it is not gender specific. Sexual assault happens to anyone. And sometimes we don't even really understand what exactly sexual assault is. So today I thought I would talk about some of the statistics of what we see, and some statistics I pulled off of an organization that's online that specializes in sexual violence and sexual assault awareness, called the RAIN, RAIIN. You can look it up, you can join it, you can help support them. And what they say is they've kind of compiled a lot of statistics from different areas, such as the CDC, RAIN, the Department of Justice, and some other very informative sources. So, nearly 1 in 5 women in a national survey say they have been raped. 1 in 5. Nearly 1 in 10 women has been raped by an intimate partner. So we think a lot that it's going to be a stranger, with a gun or knife attacking you on the street, and that's not always true. A lot of rapes are actually committed by somebody that that you're in a dating relationship with. 7 out of 10 rapes are committed by someone who knew the victim. 7 out of 10. 82% of sexual assaults committed by a friend or acquaintance are not reported to the police. That's a very, very high number, 82%. So this 1 in 5, 1 in 10, 7 out of 10, those numbers could be even higher, but we just don't have the reports. Out of 1,000 rapes, 994 perpetrators will walk free. Think about that for a minute. Out of 1,000 rapes, 994 perpetrators will walk free. That means out of 1,000 rapes, 6 perpetrators are convicted. About 63% of rapes go unreported. For 32 reported rapes, only 7 lead to an arrest, and only 2 will lead to a felony conviction. Those are staggering numbers. 1 out of every 6 American women has been a victim of an attempted or completed rape in her lifetime. 1 in 5 women are sexually assaulted while in college. Since 1998, about 17.7 million American women have been victims of attempted or completed rape. And those numbers are coming from the CDC. A number that comes from RAIN and the U.S. Department of Justice is every 98 seconds, somewhere in America, someone is sexually assaulted. 15,000 to 19,000 people with developmental disabilities are raped each year in the U.S. Here's something that a lot of people don't don't realize, but 1 out of 10 rape victims are men. So this isn't, as I said earlier, this is not an issue or making people aware of something that just happens to women. 1 out of 10 rape victims are men. 44% of sexual assault and rape victims are under the age of 18. These are our children. And almost half of the victims are under the age of 18. Victims of sexual assault are 3 times more likely to suffer from depression, 6 times more likely to suffer from PTSD, 13 times more likely to abuse alcohol, 26 times more likely to abuse drugs, and 4 times more likely to contemplate suicide. So this is not just a very limited event. When somebody is raped or sexually assaulted, that affects the rest of their life. 63% of men who attempted to campus rape or attempted to rape say they committed an average of 6 rapes. 28% of male victims of rape experienced their first rape when they were 10 years of age or younger. 10. Approximately 80% of female victims experienced their first rape before the age of 25. 18,900 military members experienced unwanted sexual contact in the fiscal year ending September of 2014. I know that's a little time ago, but those numbers have probably increased. 47% of transgender people are sexually assaulted at some point in their life. Once again, almost half of transgender people sexually assaulted at some point in their life. Sexual violence affects black women at high rates. More than 20% of black women are raped during their lifetime. A higher share than among women overall, which is 18%. And that comes from the CDC and some other organizations. So black women are way more likely to get raped or have a higher incident of rape than women in other ethnic backgrounds. So these are some pretty staggering numbers. So what can we do to help? So there are some hotlines, and probably the and I'm looking over here at the number so I can tell you. So probably the one that you should just really commit to memory and be able to give anybody at a moment's notice that needs help is going to be the National Emergency Hotline with RAINN. Once again, RAINN, which stands for Rape, Abuse, Incest National Network. And that is 1-800-656-HOPE. It's 1-800-656-4673. They also have a domestic violence hotline. So if you're experiencing domestic violence of any form, you can call 1-800-799-SAFE. That's 1-800-799-7233. So as I said, this is a topic that's near and dear to my heart, and definitely something that we need to bring awareness to, especially, these incidents, rape, sexual harassment, assault, a large majority of them occur on college campuses. And so I have college-age children, so that is something that's very special to me. And I am also a survivor of sexual assault. I was sexually assaulted at the age of about 11 by a family member. So I'm right in there with those statistics of it happening before the age of 25 and with somebody that I knew and somebody that I trusted. So if you are a victim of sexual assault, don't stay quiet. Report it. Get help. Call that number, the 1-800-656-HOPE. I believe that was the number. I just got it off my screen, so I'm looking to find it again. Yeah, 1-800-656-HOPE. Get the help. You'll need to get counseling. You'll need to learn the tools to be able to move forward with your life in a new way. It's not a negative. It's a negative thing that happened to you, but you don't have to let it be a negative event that controls your life. So I'm always here to talk with anybody that needs it. You can direct message me. You can email me at Duana, Duana, at boswelltexaslaw.com. Or you can even call and just make an appointment with me, which is free of charge, at 832-919-6595. Next time I'm going to be talking about some cool events that happen in April for Sexual Assault Awareness Month. But if you want to look at them now, there's the Denim Day, and there is also Take Back the Night. A couple of places you can go and look. So, sorry about the heaviness of the topic on our Easter holiday weekend, but everybody, the ribbon for sexual assault awareness is teal. So if you want to support this cause, go get you a teal ribbon and wear it on the weekends or every day of the week. Anyway, I will see you next week, and everybody have a great and safe holiday weekend. Bye for now.